What's good, YouTube? It's your boy, D Briggs, 6'4", D Briggs. And as you can see behind me, I got my baby, man. Yes, sir. As you can see, 6'4", D Briggs. And I was blessed to be able to get my dream car. It's right behind me, man. And I'm gonna be helping y'all out today. I'm gonna tell y'all the first 5 miles. I've been knowing about these cars. Hey, who don't know about a Scat? Or everybody know about a Scat. So, you know, I'm gonna show y'all when y'all get y'all's the first, or if y'all have one, the first 5 mods to get going on that Scat. So I'm show y'all what I got going. No, nothing really crazy. No performance mods. Just cheap mods. Cheap mods is gonna be less than, let's say, 200, 150 maybe. 150. Not gonna be too crazy, no performance mods, no boost, none like that. So let's get right into it. I'm gonna get y'all started with the cold start. Let's go. Not really a cold start because I've been driving. Of course, I drove up to get to the garage, but warm start. So give y'all a couple revs, some warm starts, and I'm gonna tell y'all what I got done so far and the best first 5 mods. So let's get right into it. See, we'll walk away because it's pretty loud, but as y'all can see, we're gonna get right into the first mod. The first mod is what y'all just heard. That's the Dynomax race bullets. I got 2 of them. Went to my local muffler shop. They're 20 a piece. Got 2 of them, and they were 80 a piece to get installed. So real easy stuff. They'll know how to do it. They'll know exactly what you're talking about. Stay in the shop. It won't take more than an hour. So that whole process is $200. Sounds good. You'll get those pops and bangs and all sorts of crazy stuff with that exhaust, man. And it sounds just ridiculous. And it's something, it's something that you want to do if you don't want a muffler delete that's too raspy. It'll keep that true tone of that 6.4 Hemi, and it's gonna sound good. And I got my little sticker right here. Y'all know stickers add 10 horsepower each. Y'all know that. So, man, right now I'm running 495 to the crank. So y'all know how that is. That's number 1. So let's get right into number 2. All right, we get right into number 2. This is something really easy that you can, I guarantee you, I promise you, somebody that does not know anything about cars can do this mod. Number 2 is so easy, and it's gonna give you a little bit of luxury feel that you want in your Scat. You know what I'm saying? It's nice. Ready? Got the Scatpack ghost door lights. Ooh. Those are crazy. That's crazy. Really easy to do. They're about $35 on Amazon. And if I need to, I'll link those in the description. I'll link everything in the description. So, got them right here. Just pop out the little door lights and just take out the little, I don't even really know how to explain it. Just take it out. You just take out the little plug and plug the new one in. It's just literally a plug and play. And it just lasts as long as you need it to, I guess. I haven't had any problems with it. My cars, of course, these are brand new, but I've had them on previous vehicles. They're not only for Scat packs. You can get them probably for almost any car. So any car maker, who knows? So it's Amazon. 30 bucks. Got them going on both sides. It gives it a really nice look. I'll step back a little bit. Looks good. And you can see I'm about 15 feet away, and you can see it really good. Picture's really clear and it's high definition. I'll link those. Really number 3. Number 3 is crucial, at least to me. Okay. So as we get into number 3, I'm gonna get into the interior. Number 3, steering wheel accessories. And I'm gonna tell you why I say this is number 3. If I lift this up right here, y'all know what's under here. It's Dodge, and it looks like the same, interior that's in a 2013 V6. Nothing wrong with that car. It's just, this is a Scatpack. We want it to look a little bit different. It doesn't have to look all SRT like a Hellcat, but it has to look different. So we're gonna start off with this badge right here, Scatpack badge, Amazon. $9, $10. You can find this on Amazon. Just type in Scatpack badge. I'll try and link one similar if I can't find this one, or I'll try and link this one if I can find it. And right here we got the red, steering wheel accents to make that, that alloy, silver-ish. What's under here. It doesn't look, it doesn't look pleasing to the eye if you keep looking after, get something different, get it popping a little bit more. At least me personally, I wanted to go with the red because, we got the red interior going on and the push start and all that. So the steering wheel, had to get it fixed up, added a little paddle shifters, and I got a little cover. And I feel like that just took away the ugly Dodge steering wheel that comes stock. Y'all know how it looks. It just, the Dodge logo right under this, and just looks all plain. It looks the same as it would in the 2013 minus the steering wheel controls, So that's just my two cents. I feel like that should be something that you should do if you want your Scatpack to, definitely stand out and look better, on the inside as opposed to the outside. I think the inside, you definitely need that. And with the steering wheel, we're also gonna connect this to, because y'all need this. If you get this car, you got 485 to the crank, and you got 470 horsepower, or 470 pound-feet of torque to the crank. So it's a fast car, man. You better be careful. So you better get you one of those. You better just don't speed at all, or you better be safe. So I got one of these because I want to test my car. I've done a lot of various tests. If y'all want to see that, leave a like button, let your boy know. So keep going. Next part. Right. Number 4. Right? Number 4. Now we're gonna go with the window tint. All right, window tint. Close this door, window over here. Close this door so y'all can see. Now, this car I bought it used, so the previous owner luckily had their side windows tinted. Looks like they're about, just from my guess, I say they're about 25%. And that, for me, that's enough. I don't need 5% all dark and risk getting pulled over with the black car. It's already gonna look dark enough. So I feel like the 25%, you can't really see inside. I mean, you can kind of see the steering wheel because it's red, but it's, pretty good coverage, and it keeps you cool. I think it does pretty good. I think the tint does pretty good, and it makes the car just look better. If you don't want to be sitting in a fishbowl, it just makes the car look better. So I think that's a necessity. Especially if you have Scatpack, one of these nice cars, one of these newer Dodges, Hemis, anything, you got to get your windows tinted, man. 25% or darker. I'm not gonna probably go with the front windshield. I know a lot of people tint the front windshield, but just not because I'm scared to get pulled over, just for visibility. I want to be able to see at night. I like to drive, as you can see, it's nighttime. I like to drive at night. Beautiful day, by the way. I like to drive at night, so that's why I'm not going with the front windshield, but back windshield and the passenger and driver, gotta get them tinted. And if you have I know for sure you can go 5%. In Texas, you can go 5% on the rear windows, but I have a coupe, so it don't matter. So we'll get right into the last and final, most important. Nah, not really most important, but this is something that you might want. I haven't installed mine yet, so this is something that you might want. I haven't installed because I literally just picked up my car within the past week. I have not installed mine yet, so I'm just making this video. This video is true. First 5 mods, I did. So it's this right here. Yes. The pedal commander, man. This thing, I don't know what it does personally from my feel, but I have driven the Madness Go pedal, which is something similar. I'm not sponsored by anything. Of course, I only have 12 subscribers, but we don't get up there. Don't worry. It's first video. I have used the Madness Go pedal on an Alfa Romeo of my dad's, and that thing unlocks his car only had 280 horsepower and 305 pound-feet of torque, and it's a Giulia not quadrifoglio, Q4, so it's all-wheel drive. So brake torque, and that thing goes, it launches, no wheel spin like these, of course, because this is a muscle car. That's an all-wheel drive luxury car, a little sporty. So, and that thing went with the pedal commander. It just took out all the lag. And if you don't know what this does, basically what you do is you plug it under your accelerator. You take out the old plug of the accelerator, kind of similar to how you install the door lights, but you got to pop something out, and then you got to plug in this pedal commander into the actual accelerator. So, and it's really easy. You got to make sure your car is not running. You got to know not to change the modes while you're driving and come to a complete stop. You know, if you change the modes because you don't want your check engine light to come on, any problems with this. So you got to be careful. These are about $300 on their website, depending on what car you have. You know, Challenger's Charger, about $300. You know, that's what it ran me. So I think that I'm going to wait a little bit personally, because I'm still trying to get used to 500 horsepower. I'm coming from an A220 Mercedes. So, you know, that's a 2-liter turbo with 188 horsepower. So this is completely different. So I'm trying to get used to it. You know what I'm saying? You just gotta be smart. So I'm gonna wait, continue to get used to my car, and I'm gonna install this bad boy. I know just how to do it. I'll make a video of my installation. I'll make a 0 to 60 before and after, because I'm running 4.4 on all stock. No, this isn't stock, but I'm running 275s all around. So that's all I'm saying. 275s all around. And I got a 4.4. Oops. Got a 4.4 0 to 60, and I'm thinking that pedal commander could probably bring me down to maybe a 4.3. Maybe a commander, definitely a mod that y'all need to look into if y'all even have any car that y'all want to feel faster, to, you know, get that seat, you know, to get that feeling, to get that torque, you know, get the torquey feeling, to get that low end punch that you want. Then look into a pedal commander or a throttle lag reducer or something like that, you know. There's somebody up here. But I don't want to make too much noise, so that's 5 mods for y'all. I'll throw in one more, because if you're into cars of any sort and your trunk don't look like mine, then you're really not a car guy. So I'll show you this right here. Cleaning supplies, man. Y'all gotta have this on deck. Wheel cleaner, tire shine, interior cleaner, wipes, wax, a little mist and wipe, just to keep it clean. And I got the cleaning supplies for real over here. This is the soap and all that. So y'all gotta keep y'all babies clean, man. You gotta keep your investments looking good. Because if you don't keep it looking good, then it's not gonna feel as good to drive, me personally. So anyway, thank y'all for watching this video. If y'all watched this far, man, y'all are real ones, man. Be sure to subscribe. If you like the content, I will be bringing some more with my Scat. Best believe I will be heavy on YouTube. 64D Briggs, man, checking out. Thank y'all for tuning in. Peace.